How wind power work? Wind turbines. The energy in the wind turns two or three propeller like blades around a rotor. The rotor is connected to the main shaft, which spins a generator to create electricity. Wind flow. Wind currents flow air from high pressure to low pressure areas. The wind flow pattern results from uneven heating of land and water. Wind sock. A wind sock, also called a wind cone, shows you the direction and the speed of the wind. The direction of the wind is shown when the wind blows into the larger open and the sock points the way the wind is blowing. If the sock is pointing to the west, then the wind is coming from the east. Anemometer. An anemometer is an instrument that measures wind speed. This type of anemometer has a spinning wheel. The stronger the wind blows, the faster the wheel rotates. The anemometer counts the number of rotations, which is used to calculate wind speed.